Hey, greetings everyone. Quick update on first on Vimeo. The Vimeo has emailed me to tell me they're closing my Vimeo channel due to PayPal problems, and so that channel will close on the 13th. So if you have a lifetime code for Vimeo, download the videos before then. If you're on monthly, I'm sure Vimeo will honor those. If anyone got a yearly code off me, just let me know and I'll give you access to Taylora, or we'll organize another download for you. Now I've got all the videos being moved across to Taylora now, and they'll be available for sale there. I don't think we're going to do the monthly memberships anymore. It'll just be one-off purchases for the courses. I won't be adding anything to the existing courses. I'll be creating new workshop courses. So the batches that are there now, they're finished and complete. So they're more like a library. It's a library, not really a course, because it's not structured in a linear way. Okay, next thing, I've updated the website for the Japan workshops and Chiang Mai workshops end of the year. The only workshops not listed there, which is already full, is the return student senior workshop held at my house in April. But the other workshops are all listed. Now, before we had a process of going through Qigong first before starting initiation to lay the foundation. I've retired from teaching Qigong now, so we've reintegrated the essential exercises into the Hermetics course, vital breathing elements and so forth, what's already there. So the beginner's initiation workshop covers all that foundation material, but specifically for Hermetics, while the return student workshop for Hermetics covers evocation as well, where we were doing evocation exercises to perform each meditation technique. We invoke a spirit who specializes in the exercise. This year's workshops are being regulated by an arch initiator from the Mercury sphere. So it'll be a lot of fun, basically, and we'll be using Kabbalistic letters for each exercise as well. So those of you who want to do a bit of homework, revise the initiation text and assign a Kabbalistic letter to every exercise. Build the Kabbalah energy first and then practice the exercise. So the senior return student outline will be more in line with that evocation Kabbalah. So the initiation course is beginners and return students, and longer term return students will be separated into a third group where there's very little theory. It's basically sitting in Akasha for most of the day and running the different energies, and running the different energies through, and it gravitates more towards being more Kabbalistic initiation as you get more senior. So that's updated on the website. I haven't had a chance to remove the Vimeo links yet. I don't know how websites work very well, so I just typed in the dates, updates for the dates, but I couldn't center them. I'm not a website designer. If someone knows how to do that, let me know, and I'll find a tutorial somewhere who might be able to show me how to do a better job. But that's at least the information is there, and you can have a look at that information if you like. Now, there's also after Japan, I'll be going to Canada in late June after the Japan workshops are finished, and July we're going to be touring Vancouver Island. So Nathan and I will be going in this van, and I'll be taking a hammock tent with me, and there's also a few other students who are interested in coming along. they'll bring their own vehicles or rent a vehicle, and that'll be a lot of fun. So if you're interested in coming along to that, there's it's just friends hanging out, practicing, and sharing developments in their practices. So that'll be good for July. If that month goes well, I'll consider moving back to Canada for the summers and ordering a van and just do the van life in the forest thing for practice. That'll be my time out to practice. As you can tell, here in the Philippines, everything's very, very, very loud. And even when you're in a hotel room with your windows and doors shut, curtains drawn, getting peaceful space is not easy. So it's not idyllic for practice, but on the islands it's a bit better. So anyone who wants to come to that is welcome to join. Just let me know. I'll once I've purchased my airfares for that, I'll post it on the website, sort of confirming the dates when I'm there and what our rough schedule is going to be. I've got to work it out with Nathan as well, see what if he has any other commitments in that month. But later on in the year, we have the CHIANG MAI workshop in October, November. Dates are set there. First one's beginners, second one's return students. After those workshops, I'll most probably be down the islands. I really enjoyed Sikihor, and $500 a month you can rent a house on the beach and Sikihor, so I might do that for a few months. And it was the quietest place that I found for practice. It has a strong spiritual vibe there. There's a lot of people who are very, very, very into spiritual work, and it was quite, I think, the most enjoyable place I've been in the Philippines so far. All right, so that's sort of the schedule for this year. People are welcome to join me to practice in the mornings for as long as they like. And it's really, if I'm touring on the motorbike, it'll be difficult to get good quality practice in, but it is what it is. We'll just do our best with it. All right. So, if you have any questions about what's happening, just let me know, and Pari or myself can reply. My email is the same as my old one, Rasmus Tai Chi. I don't check it every day, so be patient getting a reply on that one. Where Pari is pretty much on the email pretty quickly. If you are on the Vimeo and you're having any problems at all downloading the videos, if you've got the lifetime code, let me know, and we'll work out another way for you to access it. Okay, thanks for your time, everyone. Stay safe and enjoy 2025.